All right, so we are out here on the Delta Clearwater on this nice cold March 17th day, about 4 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're gonna put the Ivishak, which is the big boat, on its maiden voyage. See how it performs in the extreme temperatures.
Oh man, pops out of the hole real nice.
Yeah.
The turning, she tracks really good. It'd be nice to see a little bit more weight up front, but
I can help out in that regard.
Well, it's tough.
You got some good pictures. We are on the Delta Clearwater River on St. Patrick's Day 2020. There are 5 guys, no more than 5 guys. And we are isolating ourselves per CDC recommendations. We're doing what we're supposed to do to prevent the spread of the coronavirus.
Having fun while we're at it.
Yeah.
It's the main thing. We're getting out here to stop the spread, but a little side note is we're having fun as well.
Oh man.